Happy Friday. Welcome to the Biotech Signals series of the MicroMolar podcast.
Today is June 5th, 2026. Let's get into it.
RA Capital is building what it calls Chinese clinical expertise in a box, giving portfolio companies turnkey access to trial execution capabilities in China. The strategy reflects growing demand from Western biotechs.
Cabaletta continues to advance its autoimmune CAR-T strategy with a focus on long-term durability of response. The company believes sustained immune system reset could offer advantages over chronic immunosuppressive therapies used today.
Autobahn Therapeutics posted positive Phase 2 data for a thyroid hormone-based treatment in bipolar depression and is moving rapidly toward Phase 3 development. If confirmed, the program could introduce a novel mechanism into a field that has seen relatively little innovation.
Parabilis is preparing a roughly $413 million IPO to fund Phase 3 development of its desmoid tumor therapy. The offering is another sign that biotech IPO markets continue to reopen for companies with late-stage assets.
Affibody has restarted development efforts around izokibep after former partner Acelerin walked away from the asset. Management is highlighting prior positive data and argues the anti-inflammatory therapy still has substantial potential.
Dimension is raising up to $750 million for its third life sciences venture fund after a strong run of portfolio performance. The effort suggests venture investors are becoming more willing to deploy capital into biotech again.
AstraZeneca has recruited a veteran FDA official with extensive cell and gene therapy experience. The hire strengthens AstraZeneca's regulatory capabilities as advanced therapies become a larger part of its pipeline strategy.
Mineralys is raising capital and preparing commercialization infrastructure ahead of a potential hypertension approval. The company's actions suggest confidence in the regulatory outlook for its lead asset.
Ona Therapeutics secured an $86.6 million Series B financing to advance its antibody-drug conjugate platform. Investor appetite for ADC-focused companies remains strong as the modality continues to generate major clinical and commercial successes.
Regeneron is doubling down on CytomX despite several other pharma companies walking away from the platform. The move underscores Regeneron's conviction in masked antibody technologies as a future oncology strategy.
Bristol Myers Squibb faces what many observers consider a make-or-break period as patent expirations approach and pipeline expectations rise. The company's execution over the next several years could significantly reshape its competitive standing.
The U.S. Supreme Court ruled in favor of Hikma in a closely watched skinny label case. The decision could strengthen generic drug competition by clarifying how companies can market products that exclude patented indications.
Researchers are moving fetal gene therapy closer to clinical reality, reigniting ethical debates about whether embryo editing could eventually follow. The field is forcing regulators to confront increasingly difficult questions about genetic intervention before birth.
Those are all the signals for today. Thanks for tuning into the MicroMolar podcast.
Visit micromolar.com for more information. Have a great day.